everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android camera cannot use zoom. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is open up the camera app and make sure that the camera is not in portrait mode or not in one of those modes where you cannot use zoom. If you're on your normal photo mode, you will be able to use zoom. However, if you're not being able to use zoom, what you can do is head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, tap on apps, tap on camera, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of camera, head over to recent apps, close all apps, reopen the camera app, and if the issue still persists, simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device and try again. You can also head over to settings on your device, scroll all the way down, hit system updates, and make sure that your system is updated to the latest version. If the issue still persists, then what you may have to do is head over to reset options, back up all your data, hit factory reset, and then reset your device and try again. If the issue still persists, you may have to visit the service center for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.